everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. I'm with the lovely Chloe with her short hair, and we're going to show you a headband braid for short hair. Let's get started. So we've started off by doing a deep part on one side, and then probably about 2 inches back I'm going to just separate this hair off, and this is the bit that I'm going to be using to do the braids. So I'm just going to pull the rest of this hair out of the way. We've just done a really cute curly style. I will put the video at the end for you to click on, which is why Chloe's got all these gorgeous curls with like a funky updo. So take a look at that. So you can do this with straight hair, no problem. So you've got a nice deep piece of hair, and this is where we're going to start our braid. So I'm just going to take my finger down. She has got a little bit of product in the hair from the last video. I'm starting off with this chunk of hair here, and we're going to do 3-strand Dutch braids. We're going to break this into 3, and we're going to go Dutch braids. So that's our middle section. So we'll start off with the top. It's going to go underneath the middle. This is our new middle section. So now this piece is going to go underneath the middle. Now this piece is going to go underneath the middle, and we're also going to collect a little bit of hair from here and add that into that middle section. Going to go back to the bottom underneath the middle and collect some hair and add that into the middle. Going to go again, top section underneath the middle, collect some hair from here underneath the middle. I'm just going to stop there for a minute. You see I'm keeping it nice and loose, I'm not pulling tight on it, and we're just going to start to tease out this braid. And then just gently braid this hair down, not too tight, because again I am just going to keep on kind of like teasing this hair out. Just take your time. And then you're just going to grab a small section of hair from underneath and the ends of this braid and just combine the two. Take a small elastic or hair tie and just tie that in, and then you haven't got to worry about a hairpin falling out because this elastic will keep it in all day. And we're going to go back to the front now, and then you can just kind of go in, giving this a little tease out. So as you can see, how cute and easy was that? A little accent braid. Don't forget to check out last week's video. I will put the little link there for you to have a look at that. It's a really funky updo on Chloe, and I'll see you soon for another video.